Okay, this getting thick, guys.
Thank you, Mata.
Welcome on my vlog.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Happy weekend! Happy Saturday! Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nag-vlog. I think mga 10 days ago na ata yung last vlog natin. Kakatapos lang namin mag-grocery and may nakita kaming toy ni Amara. The sand and water table. And perfect to guys kasi lagi na siya naglalaro sa labas and we need an extra table there. Let's go unbox this one. Mura lang to. As in $5 lang ito guys. Okay, nandiyan pa ito gusto buksan sa car. Guilty rin ba kayo na sabi nyo is hindi nyo nabibilan ng toys yung anak nyo, pero bili pa rin kayo ng bili? Ako, super guilty ako doon, as in.
We're gonna make this.
Yeah, we're gonna make this. Super liit pala nito. For baby. Do you wanna play with this? Okay. Mara, can you wear your shades? Smile. Hi!
So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Belmont. So, sumali kami sa tournament, Filipino tournament. So, basketball. Kasama ko si Mick and then si Kuya Boas.
Yeah.
So, ngayon lang ulit, first time namin maglarong tatlo. Kasi natatakot kami noong una dahil sa COVID nga. Ngayong nagka-COVID na, go!
And best support, si Amara, full on support. Ayan.
Ngayon na siya ang kalo.
Naka-color red din siya, oh. Full support talaga. Kasi yung uniform nila is color red. Say hi, Uncle Mick.
Magmamas ka.
Hindi nakafocus. Let's go! Yay! Yun! Yay! Go deep! Wait lang, Mommy, help!
I can do it now.
Hi guys! Good morning! Gagawa tayo ng volcano experiment with Amara. She's a huge fan kasi of octonauts. Kung napanood nyo na yung episode na Ring of Fire.
I need fire!
Para yung mga materials, we have the flour, salt, water, and baking soda. What happened to the octonauts on the ring of fire?
Boom, 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 boom.
What happened to the volcano? What did the octonauts do?
Help.
They help the creatures.
Yeah, we get stuck.
Okay, another one. Yesterday din kasi gumawa kami ng experiment ni Teacher Rachel. Yung dino egg. Ayan, parang nabanggit ko sa kanya na pwede kaming gumawa ng volcano. And today we're making the volcano na. Ayan, 3 cups. And same way rin ito nung paggawa ng DIY Play-Doh. If you're interested to make a Play-Doh, nalagay ko yung ingredients sa description box. 1 cup of water. Good job. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Yan. So if you are making Play-Doh, kailangan nyo ng mga food colors. Since we are making a volcano and wala kaming color brown, we're just using color green. So we're just going to mix and knead the dough.
It's getting yay. Yay, Mama. It's okay. Share yours. Who's using the volcano? Oh, I love. Hey, we're playing, Mama.
We're playing. Who's your favorite octonaut?
The Bezo.
Who's the medic?
The Bezo, my
Who's the pirate?
Captain. Oh my God.
Captain America is the pirate.
Chupa. I'm so big good at doing centuries. Our hand is getting yay. It's making my beginner with man.
Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun with you.
Oh.
Our hand is getting thick, guys. But we're gonna wash it later, guys. It's okay. We'll get dirty. I'm getting a volcano.
Yeah. We're shaping it. Look, it looks like a volcano, na?
It's not yet.
Is that yet a volcano?
See.
So you can add the baking soda na. And if you want to make it extra foamy, pwede kayong maglagay ng dish soap. Yan. If you have food coloring na orange or yellow, you can use that. But kami, the closest we have is color pink. Are you excited? It's gonna erupt soon.
Oh my God.
What happened?
It's
It's erupting?
gonna be kind of a volcano.
Amara, the volcano!
How about pictures, Mama? It's so very hot. Ouch. Ouch. The volcano's hot. Ouch.
The lava is hot.
Yeah, it's a volcano hot. Mama, can I put the sweet letters in?
You wanna put creatures?
Help!
There's creatures inside.
How about mine?
Oh no.
I'm not seeing them. Go!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm putting sweet letters again, Mama. You're gonna eat the inside. We already make it.
Yeah, we already make it now. So yun guys, we are done now with today's experiment. If naghahanap kayo ng mga activities for your toddler, okay na okay to as long na may guidance kasi nga may vinegar.
Yes.
Okay, you can play here pa. Love you.
It's almost finished.
Almost finished.
It's almost finished.
Ah.
It's not finished yet.
Sunshine on a rainy day. You are
There's
the
duck outside
one
here.
takes my breath away.
Mama!
In the vast skies above, I'm free.
Oh, that's coming
As
now.
long
Where's
as
that?
Hello guys, so we just came back from Target and the Good Guys. So ito na nga yung inaantay namin. It's Breville coffee machine.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we're gonna look inside. Ground coffee. And ito yung pang flat. Cleaning kit.
Where's the washing machine?
Is that washing machine?
I see this.
That's coffee machine.
Can I have one?
Yeah. And let's go look.
Ito na.
Oh, you can stay inside the box.
So nandito din yung milk jug. So ito yung lalagyan ng coffee bean. So ito na yung unit guys.
I make a toy.
Yeah, like a tie.
So, pwede mo din kontrolin yung kung gaano ka-firm yung pag-grind ng coffee bean. So ito, 2 shots, 1 shot. So meron ka din program. Kasi ito yung atas sa pressure. Ito, single double na rin. So yun lang guys, yun lang ang alam ko.
Coffee machine, Mama.
Ito yung lahat ng gamit.
Coffee machine, Mama. Mama. Coffee machine. Let me see, Mama. Let me coffee, Mama.
Amara, silip ka dito. Hello? Where are you? Ah! Hello?
I want a gift.
You're a gift? You're a...
I make a toy.
You're like a tie. Bye!
I want a present.
Oh, are you a coffee?
Mommy makes me.
I mix you like a coffee? Like that?
Mommy can drink me now, Mama.
Okay. Hi guys! So, ito yung nakuha namin coffee beans. Ayan. Tagulis lang namin ito nakuha. And, ayun, medyo matagal pala siyang gamitin. Pero okay nga lang. Kasi, yung automatic nito guys is nasa around $16 na. Hindi ako balik na babe. So, ito is nakuha namin for $750. And this is Papa's Mother's Day gift for me. So, last year niya pa nga pinapromise na magko-coffee machine tayo. Kagabi, tinatanong niya kung sure ka na ba? Siyempre ako, oo, baka magbago pa yung isip niya. Anong first impression mo, baby?
Ganda oh.
Hmm?
Sarap.
Ang bango niya, sobra. Manonood pa siguro ako or si Papa ng mga YouTube videos paano gamitin yung pang frost kasi medyo feeling ko maling ginagawa ko, medyo matagal ako gumawa. One thing I love din dito sa Breville na to is meron na siyang frother. I really love this coffee machine. Matagal na namin itong tinitingnan. Last year pa nga. Mas gusto kasi ni Papa yung ganito, yung ginagrind yung coffee, kaysa yung mga capsules. Kasi feeling namin is mas expensive yun in the long run.
Masarap ka na ba yun? Meron dito eh. Kung gusto mong, recipe. Ayun o, long black, espresso, latte.
Thank you, Papa.
Gusto ko din tea.
Yo.
Gusto coffee mo.
Hi guys! Good evening! So, time check. Magsi 7:30 na and Amara just woke up from her nap. Expected natin guys, mga 11 or 12 na tayo matutulog nito. And she wants to change into her Spider-Man costume daw. Yung ating tupihin, hindi pa rin na-start. Kasi nung tulog si Amara, nanood tayo ng mga K-drama. Si Papa, he's so bait. Nagluto siya ng dinner. Ayun, nakasalang na sa oven yung lamb rocks. Nagluto siya ng beef. Ang sarap. Gusto ko na kumain. Pero hintayin pa namin matapos yung lamb. You wanna say hi guys first?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Princess.
Yes, you're a princess. Wow! You're so cute. And we're gonna change it to Spider-Man na.
Not the
There! This is Spider-Girl, Amara. Oh, who are you now? Are you doing your Spider-Man pose?
I'm tying your hair, Ma.
Okay, you can tie my hair.
I cannot see myself.
Hi! Oh. Spider-Man is being funny.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man clothes.
Yeah, you're wearing your Spider-Man clothes. Huh?
I just put it there.
You happy? There's a zombie. Why are you like a baby? Yum. So that made this, yan, lamb rocks, and yan, beef. I don't know what's called this, Papa. Sarap.
Creamy beef.
What do you want, little girl? What's that?
Turn around and show your face. Let me see parts of you. Oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy. And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence.